Hello guys, if you've been wondering whether you can download apps and games on your Laxasfit smartwatch like the YouTube app, TikTok app, Spotify, or even download games from the Google Play Store or App Store like racing games or shooting games from the App Store of your Laxasfit smartwatch, then take a look. Now, from the menu of the Laxasfit smartwatch, if you press on the menu, you're going to see that we have lots of applications over here, including the Facebook app. We also have WhatsApp, Twitter, and other social media apps over here. But you're going to notice that we actually do not have the Google Play Store or App Store for us to be able to download and install apps into the Laxasfit smartwatch. And also on the Laxasfit smartwatch app, which is over here, you're going to find out that even if you click on the My tab at the bottom over here, there is actually no App Store or Google Play Store menu for us to be able to select and be able to download apps from the smartwatch app into our Laxasfit smartwatch. And so the answer is no, you cannot download and install apps into your Laxasfit smartwatch. By default, the only apps you have on the smartwatch are apps that are pre-installed by the developers, so you cannot add more apps and games into your Laxasfit smartwatch. However, keep in mind that depending on the model of Laxasfit smartwatch you have, you might be able to get some games. Like in my case over here, you can see I have these racing games, and I can go ahead and play the game on my Laxasfit smartwatch if I want. But actually this particular game is also pre-installed, so I cannot get more games aside from this specific game into my Laxasfit smartwatch. And I hope this answers your question, guys. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel.